Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous Google Earth Engine tutorials, I have already explained how to perform cloud masking, applying scaling function, and pre-process Landsat 8 collection to level 2 imagery. So in this video, I won't go into those details again. If you are new to the channel, I highly recommend watching those tutorials first because they provide the foundation for everything we will do today. So in today's tutorial, we are going to calculate the bare soil index, commonly known as BSI. We will do this using Landsat 8 collection to level 2 imagery. So by the end of this video, you will understand what the bare soil index is, why it is important, how the BSI formula works, and many more things related to BSI. So let's get started. Okay, the formula for the bare soil index is over here. It's BSI is equals to band 6 plus band 4, then minus band 5 plus band 2. Then we're going to divide all of that values with the band 6 plus band 4 plus band 5 band 2. So we have minus operation over there, and then we have plus operation over there with the same bands. So for Landsat 8 and 9, band 2 is blue, then we have band 4 is red, band 5 is near infrared, and band 6 is shortwave infrared 1. So Google Earth Engine allows us to implement this formula very easily. So we have applied the formula over here, and we are calculating for this date, like 2023 first month 16 to 2023 12 month. We are calculating bare soil index for the whole year. Then we have applied the mass that function into every image that we're going to calculate, and then we have printed Landsat 8. So I have already explained the formula. I have already explained the Landsat bands that we're going to select, and then we have, so for bare soil index we have created a variable that is BSI. Here's we are implementing the BSI equation exactly as it appears in the literature. So first we have band 6 dot add band 4. It adds the shortwave infrared and red bands. Then we have band 5 and add band 2. So add the near infrared and the blue band. And then we have a subtract operation between them. So it will apply the subtraction between both of them. And then we have a divide operation, divides by the denominator computing the normalized index calculation. Finally, we have uh, flipped it into the ROI, like our region of interest. So we are just bounding it to our study area. And then we have visualization parameters. Here we specify the minimum value and the maximum value, the color palettes. The palettes gradually changes through the different colors representing varying BSI values. Higher values generally indicate bare soil, while lower values correspond to the vegetational water covered area. So it is set like that. And then we have an operation that's saying that add my BSI into the map. So this adds a bare soil index layer to the Google Earth Engine map. After running the script, you will immediately see the spatial distribution of bare soil index across your study area that you have mentioned over here. So let's run it and see its results. That's gonna show me over here. Here is it. This is how BSI looks like. So after representing BSI, we have export.image to drive operation. So we have first image, like it specifies the BSI raster. Then we have description that define the export task name. Then we have scale, sets the spatial resolution to 30 meters because we are using Landsat 8. It's 30-meter in resolution, so we are using here 30-meter. Then we have region that specifies the area to export. And then we have file format is set to GeoTIFF. Then we have max pixels allows the export of a large datasets without limited errors. So once the export finishes, you will have a GeoTIFF in your Google Drive that you can use in ArcGIS, Pro QGIS, and or any other GIS software. So this is how our bare soil index look like. Let's inspect it a little bit to see the values. So we have 0.14 value at the yellowish area and then calculate it for the bluish, and then we have minus 0.2. So we have a greater soil index, bare soil, over these lands that are looked at yellowish, and less for the bluish area. So bare soil index is very valuable tool for identify exposed soil surfaces and is widely used in the environmental monitoring, land degradation assessment, agriculture studies, and land use change analysis. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming Google Earth Engine tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.